Bro, why is it? The second your phone makes the tiniest sound, the teacher acts like you've just hacked the school system. Like it's on silent. One little vibration, and they're out here pausing the lesson like, who's got their phone out? Hand it over. Bro, it's in my bag. I didn't even touch it. And the whole class, they turn round slowly like you're some sort of criminal. Like, bro, it's not that deep. But then, the one day you forget to switch it off, and your phone rings at full blast. That embarrassing ringtone your mom set. Suddenly you're public enemy number one. Give me the phone now. I'll keep it till the end of the day. Bro, chill. It's not like I'm calling back up to escape the classroom. And the funniest bit, teacher's own phone starts ringing mid-lesson. And they're like, oh, sorry guys, let me just take this. Bro, what? Double standards much. Meanwhile, I just wanted to check if my mom's outside to pick me up. But sure, take my phone, ruin my day. Go ahead. Hit that subscribe button if it relates.